Windsor's economy has always had strong ties to manufacturing, especially with the Chrysler plant employing so many local residents. But with the recent conversations around tariffs and uncertainty in the auto industry, a lot of people are asking, will this affect my ability to get a mortgage? First off, it's important to know that banks and lenders are not allowed to discriminate based on the industry you work in. So just because you're employed by a certain industry doesn't mean you'll be denied a mortgage. That said, lenders do look at income stability, and that's where some challenges can come in. A lot of people in the area rely on overtime to boost their income. But if the plant cuts back production or stops offering overtime, that can reduce your qualifying income. Lenders often require a 2-year history of consistent overtime income before they'll count it. And even then, if it drops off, it may no longer be used. That means if you've made good money in the past, your approval amount could be affected if your current pay stubs don't reflect it. That's why your base hours matter. If your letter of employment confirms that you work 40 hours a week and your recent pay stubs support that, the lender can still use your full-time base income to qualify you. So even if your overtime is no longer consistent or has been cut completely, that doesn't mean you won't qualify. You might qualify for a little less than you would with overtime included, but as long as your core hours and incomes are stable, you're still in a strong position to get approved. In uncertain times, it's more important than ever to be proactive. Make sure your documents are in order and work with a mortgage professional who understands the local economy and how to present your file clearly to lenders. Even with the shifts happening in the manufacturing, there are still plenty of ways to get a mortgage approved. It's all about knowing how to navigate the process. If you have questions or want to talk through your options, feel free to call my office anytime. Thanks for watching. This is Rasha Ingrata, Mortgage Agent Level 2 with Mortgage Intelligence since 1999, proudly serving clients right here in Windsor, Ontario. Thank you and have a wonderful day.